I really talk, you know. Because if I did film you, you wouldn't see him again.
Joe me tell him say me and him not they together no more. But he can pass through and tell me hello. And guess what? Oh master pass through.
I'm working my way back to you, babe. Mm.
You know, say I left them clothes if I come back.
Yeah, you must always come back.
Come back where? Listen, if 2 weeks pass and him not come for him close them, me I go call him. Cause me not him feel like say him have foot in here.
Right, rough. So, how long now him there? Me realize say you not say nothing to you, you know. And me know for sure say not to them come. You keep secret.
Aye, you no bother say nothing. Kaya keep secret too.
Him a keep secret?
Yes, my love. See him get text the other day when we go up on the apps. And when I ask him, a patsy.
Bossy, what that?
Then you not keep secret too. Allow me I tell.
Me now want some my tea.
Alright, you are going. I never really mean she come to. She try some things for Destiny, like snacks and everything there. And she bring one special earbuds for her, which I say she not for weird everywhere. You get what I say? But I want to tell her, you know, something going on at Destiny school and a she Destiny call. And she go down there.
Aye, alright, stop. She spend the night. Get to the point, man.
She spend the night? Okay, that's why you glow so.
You know, so the argument just switch. From you to me. How me reach night?
Me no know. Mr. Keeper of Secrets.
So, we no back and chat now. We no good again.
You know, say, for the sake of Destiny, yeah, I feel like I the right thing for do. And we'll have more conversations now. It's not like before, where we couldn't really talk for a while and so. She not rile up now. Nothing. I want to tell you now, she work on a radio station now.
Radio station.
Patsy?
Trust me, when I might hear her, and I know say she. She'll get media training.
That's so nice, see? I'm proud of her. Really progressive.
Yeah, I like that.
Why? Not always tell her say I'm proud of her when she make moves, you know. But you see that one, yeah? I tell you. And she just fall in the right time. Look how schedule get busy. Just, I feel comfortable. I'm not gonna lie.
And that is what is important. We always have to try to find the balance between work and our personal life. This Kareem thing, try not bother put it on your head.
Bubbles, trust me, I'm alright. I get used to the lack of communication between me and him. My focus is on work right now and myself. So trust me, I'm good.
I know I'm most tired to hear me say it, but I always say it. I'm proud of you. Just keep doing what you're doing and keep on focus. Now that we have these things out of the way, let's get back to the matter at hand. You hear from numbers?
Me I avoid him call him. But him keep on a call. So what am I tell him? Send him the picture?
No. Come get the feeling, then I go after him.
Remember, say a king and ranking I talk about, you know. And you see that move that we make? A big violation. You can't come back from that.
So them not go after him? Even if them find out say my police?
That's the thing. Them not supposed to know say my police.
And them nothing know say, Mr. Mullins related.